There's a proportional relationship between the number of months a person has had a streaming movie subscription and the total amount of money that they paid. The cost for 6 months is $47.94. The point 6, 47.94 is shown on the graph, so we can see that plotted right here. What is the constant of proportionality in this relationship? So we know to find constants of proportionality, we can divide the y coordinate by the left coordinate. So we can go ahead and do that. And we're going to do 47.94 divided by 6. So if we type that in, we get 7.99. So my constant of proportionality, K, equals 7.99. Normally we would like that unit, but question B is asking us for the unit. What does that tell us about the situation? It costs $7.99 per month. Add at least 3 more points to the graph and label them with their coordinates. So if I know that my value or my K value is 7.99, to be proportional, my easiest point I can plot is 0, 0. We know that it has to go through that. I can add in the point 1, 7.99. It's going to be kind of hard to estimate that, but we can do our best. We're going to come over to 1. This number would be 10 between 0 and 20. So I'm just going to come a little bit below. We know proportional relationships have to be a straight line, so I can add in that point so it looks like it's going to fall in the same pattern. And now I'm just going to pick another value. I can pick whatever I want. So if I'm going to pick an x value of, let's pick 4, to figure out what that y value is going to be, I can take x times my constant of proportionality. So 4 times 7.99 tells us that for 4 months, we're going to pay $31.96. So again, do our best to estimate. We're going to come up to 4, and then 2030 would be about here. So 31 would just be a little bit above that line. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and connect my points just so that it looks a little bit nicer. Write an equation that represents the relationship and the total cost. So we talked about relationships for the last few lessons. It's always your y coordinate, so that's cost, equal to your constant of proportionality times the x, which is months.